about being in the middle of nowhere. Ain't gonna lie, I'm awful high up in this tree for this wind to be blowing this hard. It's about took me out of this tree stand 2 or 3 times. I guess you can see that tree moving. Look back. This tree stand right there. No, I gotta put my glove. Well, that one just ain't worried about nothing, is it?
Come on. Look at that. Hey, buddy. Hey, come here.
He ain't too worried about anything, is he? Old burrhead.
That feet look in pretty good shape. Well, I guess I'll leave.
Split there, look at him.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's what a cow looks like. I guess 4 days after it dies out here in Oklahoma. And just about could crawl up inside of this thing. That is a lot of hole in that thing. When I watched it die, I think it was trying to give birth and broke its neck. So that's snow falling. Snow falling everywhere. It's freaking freezing out here. But it's pretty. Kind of hoping that of the 50 dirt dauber nests in here, that they're all dead. Hopefully. See anything? I don't. I figure I'll give you guys a weather report. Currently at the present time, it is about 3 clicks below a frozen nut, and it's sleeting, and the wind is blowing at like 47,000 miles per hour. Pretty sure this tree stand is going to tip over, and I can't feel my hands, on my face, on my legs, on my toes. It's cold, folks. I'm telling you what, there's probably going to be a blizzard. You better charge up your cell phones, and you better charge up your iPhones, and you better charge up your refrigerators, because you're not going to need them ever again. And it's cold. It's cold out here. You wouldn't think Oklahoma would be up there as high, would you? But it is. This place is so big. You see all this? Trying to track a deer up through here that I think I shot. Not sure. But man, there's so much area. This is far from North Carolina, guys. Way far. smack one on the butt. Might smack one on the butt. Ooh! Damn, y'all look meaner than heck. I don't think I can smack one on the butt. Oh! What y'all gonna do? Look like you wanna hurt somebody. You're gonna hurt somebody? Huh? It's your face. Stop. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Huh? What are you looking at? Oh, you don't say. I don't think I want Flores on the gun. Woo! What is that noise? That one dude just don't care. He's like, you're stupid. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Like a deer superhighway.